Hello everyone, so in today's video I am unboxing the Ricky's Cult Crushes. Hold on as I try to hide my address. This box. This is a newer subscription box to me. I've seen a couple unboxing videos of this in the past. And I decided that I wanted to give it a try. I did pay $11 for this, I think, but I do know that they recently upped their price to it to be $14 a month. So this is actually the May box. They were having some troubles getting boxes out, getting the products actually to them in the warehouse and then shipping it out. So I believe that one of the items isn't even in here right now. They said that they would be getting it and mailing that out separately. So we'll see how that goes. So it is a beauty subscription box. It comes with fashion, beauty, hair care, skincare, that kind of stuff inside of here. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your guys' notification bells so you guys are notified for all of my future videos. And I actually just got done recording my FABFITFUN unboxing. This is my first month of FABFITFUN also, and I thought it was pretty good. So I'll link it up above if you want to check that out, and I'll also have it linked down below. And if you guys want to see what I got in the Ricky's Cult Crushes box, then just keep watching. There's lots of tape. So we'll see if I can even get into it. Opening it up, there's a smell coming from this box, very soapy. So here is the card. It has all the information of all the products on the back, I am assuming. Yes, it does. So I'm gonna set that to the side. This thing is really just giving me like super strong smell and stuff. I'm gonna start with this, which I'm assuming is what's causing the smell. This is the Laundress Wash and Stain Bar. It's a vegetable soap, borax, and essential oils. It's designed to clean those hard-to-reach stains that all beauty lovers experience, from ring around the collar to strap sleeves and any other unwanted places your makeup gets. So it's a little bar for your clothes. The smell, though, is like killing me. It's just very, very strong, perfumey, like grandma's bathroom kind of smell. It's just very strong. So I don't know that I'll use this on my clothes just because I don't want that smell getting on my clothes. If it doesn't get on my clothes, that'd be great, so that my clothes don't smell like it. But the smell, though, is not very appealing to me. It's just a little, you know, soap, boxy soap thing. So I'm just gonna keep that on in there, and yeah. So the next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is the Aurora, this is the Aura, I don't know, Glow Liquid Highlighter. One thing though, it doesn't tell you what the prices are for these, so that's annoying. So here is the highlighter. It comes in this cute little bottle and it has gold detailing around it. Although this does look like it's gonna be way too dark for my skin tone, we'll go ahead and give it a little swatch anyways. Oddly enough, this smells like bananas to me. I don't know why, but it does. So here is a little swatch. This is very dark. So this is extremely too dark for my pale, very, very pale skin. Maybe if I was self-tanned, which I may try to do, or I don't know. I don't know how I could use this. It's okay, I guess. I just wish that it was a different color. This is like so bronze. If I wasn't so white, this would probably be really awesome, but I am so pale that if I put this anywhere, it would probably look real bad on me. The next item I am pulling out is the Pure Paw ointment. It is a topical ointment used for dry, chapped, cracked lips and skin to soothe and smooth. Oh, it's in strawberry. I want to give this guy a little sniff, see what it looks like. Ooh, it does smell very good. Just gonna put a little of that on the back of my hand. So it's just a clear color, kind of looks like Vaseline, but it does smell pretty good. Yeah, it is very like Vaseline-y, but it smells a whole lot better than Vaseline, so that's a plus. I'd honestly probably just use this for my lips, because I don't really like the feeling of that like slippery Vaseline kind of feeling on my hands or my arms or anywhere on my body besides my lips, but for my lips, I think that this would probably be really awesome and not bad that it smells really good. So throwing this in a purse or a bag or something and taking that with me as a little lip treatment was pretty cool in my opinion. The next thing I'm seeing is this Wickedly Divine liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Kiss of Death. So it's like fiery packaging from La Splash Cosmetics. Oh man. This is very, very interesting. It's got a little crystally red diamond thingy on the front. And it's just, this is very interesting packaging. I've never seen anything like this. You got some like detailing on the front there. It's kind of weird. Not bad, but a little interesting. So let's go ahead and see what the color looks like. Oh wow. This is not what I was expecting at all. With a red top, you would think that it would be red, but no. Honestly, it's kind of giving me like grape soda vibes. It doesn't smell bad, which is nice. So there is a swatch on my hand. Yeah, I probably won't wear this. I'm just not like a deep grungy lip wearer. I'm just not. I prefer nudes. When I do wear darker colors, they're more wearable than something like this. It's just not something I would wear, so I probably won't use it. And the last thing I'm pulling out, this is the Sculpt and Blend Mini 2 3-piece brush set. This is from BH Cosmetics. Oh, and there's a sticker on there. And I'm gonna get the sticker off. So they're just itty bitty little brushes. So like it said it was a Sculpt and Blend brush set. The bristles on them are all very nice. It doesn't say on the brushes what is supposed to be used for what, but you got kind of like a little angled brush right here. Then you got kind of like a domed shape brush right here. It is pretty dense as well. And then you got kind of like almost like a stippling type brush. Maybe I'd use this for like concealer or something right there. This one, I don't know. Highlight, I'm not sure exactly which is what. I'm assuming this angled one is supposed to be like for eyeshadow. I typically don't use angled brushes for my eyeshadow, so not half bad. I may just pass them along. I am going to do a brush declutter video, so I might just throw them all in there. I may keep this one because I do think that it would probably be pretty good for concealer under your eyes. So everything besides the Bioderma came in my box. The liquid lipstick, I'm assuming, was a kind of like a makeup for shipping the Bioderma late because the liquid lipstick was not on my little card. So I'm assuming they threw that in there to kind of like make up for it, which is whatever. I mean, I guess so technically I didn't pay for that. But they, again, like I said, they are supposed to be sending the Bioderma in the mail later. I was really looking forward to that because I've heard people say that it's really, really good. So I've wanted to try it for a little while. We'll see how that is when that gets in the mail. Overall, I've seen past boxes that are just like a lot better than this. Honestly, the only thing I think I'm going to use is the little Vaseline thing. And the Bioderma when that comes. I probably won't be using this, so I'll just pass this on. And then the little laundry soap thingy, I will try it out. If it gets the scent on my clothes though, I'm not gonna use it. I'm just a very picky smell kind of a person. The liquid lipstick, I'm probably not gonna use, just not my shade. And then the little brushes, like I said, I'll probably throw a couple of these in a declutter. Pass these on to some friends or family or something like that. Maybe I'll throw them in a giveaway if you guys want them. And that's it. Let me know what you guys thought about it in the comments below. Do you guys get Ricky's Cult crushes? Let me know your thoughts on it. Like I said, I've seen past boxes where they've gotten a palette from the Balm and things like that. So I thought that was really cool. That's mainly why I signed up. But if it keeps going this way, I might just cancel because this month didn't really impress me a whole lot. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.